Question number 11. Which services help in enhancing security and compliance in the AWS environment? Security is an absolutely top-of-mind concern when building solutions anywhere, including in the AWS cloud. Some environments have a requirement to be compliant, to be able to prove that they have configured their environment to be secure in certain kinds of ways. So which services are going to be most helpful in enhancing that secure, compliant posture? Amazon EC2 is up first. And while it's important to make sure that my virtual machines are configured in a secure and compliant way, EC2's main job is providing those virtual machines and not necessarily enhancing their security and compliance posture. EC2 is probably not our answer. How about AWS CloudTrail? The main way that AWS gets work done is when requests come in and hit the application programming interface of various different AWS services. When that occurs, the Identity and Access Management service gets involved to determine whether that's allowed or not, and the service called CloudTrail gets involved to be able to capture the evidence of that interaction and store it in a log file. Is that important in enhancing security and supporting the compliance needs of a workload? It absolutely is. How about AWS Lambda? It's an important service. It's something that I will want to configure securely, but like EC2, its main job is hosting applications. So that's also not it. Amazon Inspector is important for pulling out our magnifying glass and watching the configuration of our virtual machines to make sure that they're patched properly, that they have the updates to their software to keep them free of various different kinds of security vulnerabilities. That's a critically important part of enhancing security and compliance. So that's almost certainly our second answer. S3, once again, has the job of being the manager of the S3 buckets, the storage locations, where I can keep important files. That might maybe be part of my security management story, but CloudTrail and Inspector are very clearly the services that we would want to use to enhance our security and compliance posture while using AWS.